V9 న్యూస్కి స్వాగతం. ఇప్పుడు హెడ్లైన్స్. ఈరోజు విశాఖ రామా ట్యాక్స్ వద్ద ఉన్న అంబేద్కర్ భవన్లో యూనియన్ బ్యాంక్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఎక్స్పో జరిగింది. ఈ యొక్క భాగంలో కారు లోను, హౌస్ లోను, విద్యా లోను ఇంకా చాలా లోన్స్ అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయని తెలియజేశారు డీజీఎం గారు.
విద్యా సంస్థల యాజమాన్యాలకు, పాత్రికేయ మిత్రులకు, మీడియా బృందానికి, బ్యాంకు పురోగతిలో మాకు సహాయకులుగా ఉండే మా మిత్రులకు స్వాగతం. కార్యక్రమంలో ముందుగా థ్యాంక్ యూ. గజాననం భూతగణా I request all the participants. ఈ ముందుకు వస్తే కొంచెం కూర్చోవచ్చు ప్లీజ్. ఈ జనరల్ మేనేజర్ మాన్య మిస్ శాలిని మీనా గారు సభ్యుల రాతావధ్వనులు వచ్చే స్థావరంగా వేదికను ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నా. Hearty welcome, sir. Hearty welcome, sir. Hearty welcome, sir. సభను ఉద్దేశించి ప్రసంగించవలసిందిగా గౌరవ యూనియన్ మేనేజర్ జిమ్మా జ్యోతిప్రసాద్ గారు.
Good morning to you all. I am Shalini Menon, Zonal Head Visakhapatnam, and I am really delighted to be a part of this Retail Expo 2024. Which is organized by our regional office, Visakhapatnam, and this is first of its kind expo in this year, and I would like to welcome all our builder participants, all our car dealer participants, the education consultants, and all my dear branches who have made this event happen, and above all the customers. All the customers who all know is one of the fastest growing public sector banks and it's the fifth largest public sector bank in business way. We have been receiving lot of awards and accolades from different ministries, for our participation in different sectors, especially from the funding point of view. And if you see our retail products, be it home loan, be it mortgage loan, be it education loan, or even the vehicle loan, it is one of the best in the industry. My only request is, today is the day when we will be showcasing all our products, our rates, and the service delivery also. I think all of us, the branches as well as the customers, should make best use of this opportunity and see to it that we make it a grand success. So are you all with me, especially my branches? today in various segments. And we have very exclusive retail loan point, for handling the retail proposals within a very short turnaround time. That is the best part. We have a different delivery system as far as our retail products are concerned. Branches are only my need generating points, but the entire processing, the documentation, in order to centralize and speed up the process, there is a retail loan point which is there right at the center of the city in Visakhapatnam. My retail loan point is also here. Biggest, one of the biggest retail loan point in my entire zone, as well as he is having a very good position pan India also. So we have to see that ultimately we are making best use of this retail expo. The builders who we are able to service our customers better. Union Bank of India is always known for its customer service, and I assure you, on behalf of my zone, on behalf of my region, we will do our best to service the customer, to the best possible manner, and so that you not only you are availing loans for yourself, but you are referring a lot of business to us. Thank you, and let us make this expo a grand success. And I'm sure with all your participation and all your blessings, we'll.
Now, I request our beloved regional head, Shri Narasimha Kumar Garu, to address the gathering.
Good morning to all. And all the deliveries from the bank side, all the branches, and most importantly, the reason for our existence, our dear customers. So without you, we are nowhere. So you are the reason for our purpose. You are the purpose for our business, and you are the one who are giving us the bread and butter. And why this expo is conducted? Basically because of you. Because we want to showcase our products in front of you, so that you can avail more and more products from Union Bank of India. And why Union Bank of India only? As Madam rightly said, that we are one of the fastest growing banks in India, and we are the 5th largest bank. We are poised to become 4th, and we are one of the best interest rate offering bank as far as retail loans are concerned. And most importantly, for Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Bank has merged into a Union Bank of India. So for Andhrites, Andhra Bank is most dearest to the heart, and after merging into the Union Bank has taken that spot. 40 lakhs collateral free loans as far as education loans are concerned. So that whenever your children are joining to the top.
Today in the Retail Expo, we have the dignitaries with us, respected Zonal Head, GM Madam Salman, Regional Head, Narasimha Kumarji, we have Zonal Audit Head, Narasimha Murthy, and Deputy RHS, officers from the Zonal Office, AGM Cadet, Sudhakar Garu, this present here, and moreover, our esteemed customers present here, our builders associated with our bank, our auto dealers associated with our bank, DSS, and well-wishers, and our media persons present here. Very honorable style and comfortable style for the financial year 23-24. Already last year we have done many occasions, but this year 24-25, this is the first of its kind, and in a mega way we are going ahead. Our retail portfolio in the zone is roughly around 8,300 crores, out of which 2,400 crores contributed by this zone only. So this is the point where we get maximum contribution and support, and the support is extended by all of you only.
Murali, housing loan of 55.90 lakhs. Venkata Ganesh, housing loan. So please come sir. Please come sir. నిదానంగా కావాలి మెల్లిగా ప్లీజ్ కమ్ సార్. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లోన్
All of you लिखिए. सर
ఆవాల ఉమామహేశ్వరరావు గారు.
सर ओके
ఏ ఉమామహేశ్వరరావు గారు హౌసింగ్ లో ఉమామహేశ్వరరావు గారు.
ऑल ऑफ यू लुक हियर
సార్ బీసీ రోడ్ బ్రాంచ్ జే మహాశ్రవంత్ గారు మహాశ్రవంత్.
So I'm Shalini Menon, Zonal Head Visakhapatnam. Today we have organized Retail Expo in Ambedkar Bhavan, and we have experienced good footfall of our customers, and builders as well as vehicle dealers and education consultants have also come, and we'll be there today throughout the day, and we are expecting very good response from all our customers. We have distributed some in principle sanction letters also, and we are there to serve the customer in the most better way, and I wish all the customers come across and showcase. We have showcased our products here. Come across and enjoy and experience the service of Union Bank in Visakhapatnam. Thank you so much.
Of Visakhapatnam. Today we are organizing Retail Expo for the benefit of our customers, existing as well as the prospective customers. We are showcasing our retail products here. So we are offering the housing loan and education loan at a very competitive rates. And I request all the people of Visakhapatnam to take the benefit of it and contact the nearest branches of Union Bank of India and avail the retail loans from us. Thank you so much.
ఇవాళ యూనియన్ బ్యాంక్ వారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో రిటైల్ ఎక్స్పో కండక్ట్ చేస్తే అక్కడికి ప్రముఖ బిల్డర్స్ ప్రముఖ వాహన డీలర్స్ వచ్చి ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి ఈ అవకాశాన్ని ఉపయోగించుకుని యూనియన్ బ్యాంక్ ఇండస్ట్రీలోనే మంచి కాంపిటేటివ్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్తో రుణాలు మంజూరు చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకుని బ్యాంక్ అభివృద్ధిలో తోడ్పడతారని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Business development, Visakhapatnam zone. We are focusing more in the retail credit part, which is booming, and the best scheme of the Union Bank of India is now presented before all the customers and the participants present here. We are focusing more on this segment, which is fast growing. Thank you.